Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. Just bringing you a men's concept basket that I've done. This will be the only one I do like this, unless I find some more of these boxes. But this was a box I got at Hobby Lobby today, and this is what I had in mind for it. So let me just flip you around. Alright, let's back up a little bit. Alright, so for this basket, of course, I got this basket at Hobby Lobby on sale. Alright, and I did this, I wanted to do a Bath & Body Works basket for a man. So I started with the mahogany teak wood. And it's the 3-in-1 hair, face, and body wash. We did the loofah, whichever way you want to say, tomato. We have our men's Dove cream, the Ultra Hydra cream for the hands and the body. And our African soap. Alright, these two came from Dollar Tree. Alright, and then I have the Mess Hall hand soap sheets. And these come from Bunkhouse. I actually got these at a clearance sale in the gift shop at my job. They had several of these, so I did pick those up. Alright, so these are just sheets. You take a sheet out, wet your hands up, and just rub that sheet in, and it lathers up into a soap for a hand wash. And this one is the Lake Lather Lavender. And I will shrink wrap this. Alright, this is just one of my first few Father's Day baskets. Some of the other ones you have already seen. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed and be a blessing.